inner dance process supports a transformation and an unraveling that is usually not that easy to access. It is a deconstruction and reconstruction process. If you have experienced it, you will understand my words. The sounds support one to deeply surrender, often going through a mini death process for the awakening and shifts to take place. In order for something to be born, something needs to go to sleep. The Inner Dance playlist supports this in a radical way. It has the ability to take you into very heightened states of awareness where deep healing can occur. They call this the fourth state of consciousness, which is usually only able to be accessed through plant medicine or very high frequency practices. Through Inner Dance, we use our bodies to communicate. It's actually a conversation, a dialogue that happens inside. The more you engage with it, the deeper you will go. The idea behind Inner Dance is that we invite the body, heart, mind, and spirit to respond intuitively. We always start lying down. And the lying down is actually a really important part of the process. This allows us to completely surrender and to drop into a space of trust. It allows the participant to completely let go. The process is known for triggering. There are many scientific explanations and information on this. In short, the triggering allows whatever is usually not seen or what we usually don't want to look at to come up onto the surface to be looked at. This allows deep unconscious fears, traumas, and past patterns to come up onto the surface to be healed. If you allow yourself to let go enough, the body starts to wake up. How that might look or feel will be very different for each person. Each time you experience Inner Dance, it will also be different. Your body or spine might start to move spontaneously. You might feel your body start to tingle. Memories might come. You might find yourself crying or even laughing. Deep realizations can sometimes just pop out of nowhere, and often releasing takes place. What is important is to be with whatever comes up, to follow it, to allow it, to go with it. This is part of the unraveling. This is part of the deconstruction and reconstruction process. Every moment is perfect. It's all to do with the unraveling of what you are ready to work with. It's like a story that you are unraveling. And as you do this, through your body's intuitive wisdom, you start to wake up to more of you. You start to remember who you really are. Heightened states can be experienced, and if this is so, this usually comes with a very deep healing. Inner Dance is one of the only modalities I've ever experienced where truth is always revealed. It is you experiencing yourself as energy. It can be the deepest meditation and the wildest party happening at the same time. This is Inner Dance. All you need is trust to allow yourself to come home to more of you.